To change Wi-Fi strength value in the seamless connection routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap seamless connection routine, tap Wi-Fi strength, and then select the desired Wi-Fi strength to trigger this routine. As the example, we will select 1 bar or less, and then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, when the strength of the Wi-Fi connection you are connected to is just 1 bar or less, the seamless connection routine will be enabled automatically, and your phone will turn on your mobile data to provide you a seamless connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.